we are all attorneys at law representing two police officers, one Masinde Baraza and one Duncan Kiprono. Police officers are tied to Kileleshwa police station. So yesterday our clients were arrested and they recorded statements with the DCI Homicide Division, whereby they recorded statements under inquiry. And they were booked here at Capitol Hill police station. But one thing we should let the public know is that these police officers were booked, and all the police officers who were protecting the demonstrators, they were given shorthand guns and also rubber bullets. So there is no single live ammunition that were fired by any police officer. We are not saying that our client was involved.
They are innocent until proven otherwise. And we inform the public to avoid the issues of speculation, because as at now, the DCI and the IPOA have actually initiated investigations. And our stand is that our clients are innocent, and the public should not condemn them in any way.
Of course, we're also calling the IPOA and all other investigative agencies to get into the center of this matter, because even the issue of identity alone has to be established very clearly. Because you know, the way we are right now as a country, we are in a very precarious position. You have seen what has transpired over the few days before, that we are in a situation, and the allegations that have been labeled against the persons of interest are very serious allegations. And that is why we must, first of all, before we move anywhere, we must investigate the identity of these people, so that even as they are being arraigned before the courts, we must ensure that these are the correct accused people, or rather the persons of interest, because the identity in itself is what we are challenging.